Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for Friday, October the 9th of 2020. We had a stinker week. We just had a dud week. In fact, it's been a dud month for us. And this past week, like based on Darko's pre-market analysis videos, just nothing happened. We didn't get any fills on day trades or swing trades. There was a couple of scalps that didn't work out, but aside from that, nothing, you know. And that's what happens with systems. Like they go through times like this. Don't kid yourself. Every dog has his day. Every system goes through times when there is either no setups or there is a series of losing trades or a series of winning trades and everything in between. And the thing is, like if you don't trade, like we didn't trade, yeah, we didn't make any money, but we didn't lose any money either. Really, really important. You preserve capital when nothing's setting up according to your trading plan, right? Very, very important. I did post a divergence trade earlier this week. I've been posting them to our members area as well for our premium service members, and that trade didn't work out. I had one last week that worked out to be about a 5-to-1 reward to risk winner. So that was really good. That's what happens. They just you never know what's going to happen with a trade, so you just put them on, right? That's all you can do. And the thing is, you know, if you're a newbie or a stage 1 or stage 2 trader, when you have a week like this where there's not much going on, or you maybe even take a loss or two, it'll start to cast doubt on your decision to even get into this trading or to join this service or whatever service it is that you're with. And you'll start to question, you know, is this thing any good really, and all that, because stage 1 and stage 2 traders are very focused on what happened on the last trade or the last 2 trades maybe. You know, they're very myopic. They don't get the bigger picture of what happened in the last month or 2 months or 6 months or a year. And Darko's been doing this for like 3 years now with a very, very outstanding record of showing these setups to our successful setups to our members. So and that's just the nature of a new trader, because their expectations are just a little bit not on where they should be. Okay. One thing I've been doing is in our premium service is that I've been doing flash webinars. And so what they are is, like if I'm looking for divergence trades and I'm saying that there's nothing setting up, what I'll do is I will open a go-to webinar session. We call it a flash webinar. And our premium service members can all log into it and have a look. And I'll go through like the 26 pairs that I'm watching and show where the support resistance levels are at and what I'm looking for divergence and how there's just nothing there, so they can see firsthand what I'm seeing. And then it's just, I think, a really, really good learning tool and a really good way for them to get some hands-on learning, ask questions, see what I'm looking at and all that kind of thing. And it's been really good so far. I've gotten really nice feedback from our members on that. So I'll continue to do that, because, like, you know, we've all heard the expression that trading's a lonely business. Yeah, it is, you know. And if you're sitting there and there's nothing going on, it's nice to keep engaged with our members and keep them focused on what we're supposed to be looking for, and not, you know, sitting there, you know, and just thinking that, you know, we're just sitting back, not doing anything. Well, we definitely are. We're working as hard as ever. But, you know, if there's nothing there, there's nothing there. And, you know, the other thing that can happen too is Darko will do his pre-market analysis video. He'll post it. And after he posts it, trades can set up after that. So what he does is he'll go and do another video. And it might be just like 2 minutes long, showing the new setup, day trade or swing trade. And he'll tweet that so that our members, basic or premium, doesn't matter, can see the tweet, go back into the members area and listen to the updated PMA. So we try to look after everybody as best we can, and Darko's really on top of that and reposting things if necessary. Okay, so yeah, I don't have anything else to say. I just wanted to update you on our performance, on our just the challenges that we've had this month so far. That's reality trading. I think it's really, really important, very important, to be transparent with people about trading and let them know what the reality is and how this happens, right? And we all go through it. We can talk about wins all the time. Everybody likes to talk about wins, but you should also talk about losses and times when you go through periods where there's nothing happening with your system. And like I say, it happens with all systems, believe me. And so I hope that was helpful. We don't sweat it. You know, we keep our risks so nice and small that it's never, ever a problem. And we're always there to preserve capital to live to trade another day. Okay, so we'll leave it at that. We know things will pick up again. They always do. And so hopefully we'll see what next week brings for us. That's it. If you could give us a thumbs up, we'd sure appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel too, because Darko also posts several videos throughout the week, and they're really good. They got great little tips and information in them that I hope you find them really helpful. So, and when you subscribe, click that little bell so that you'll be notified, excuse me, whenever Darko puts out a new video, or I do. Okay, that's it. Have a great rest of your weekend, everybody, and we'll see you next week with another weekly trade video. Thanks so much.